In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule recurring transactions in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're managing invoices, deposits, or expenses, setting up recurring transactions can save you a lot of time and streamline your financial processes. Let's dive into the steps to get you started. First, we'll begin by navigating to the main interface of QuickBooks Online. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the top left corner of your screen where you'll find the New button. Clicking on this will reveal a drop-down menu with various transaction types to choose from. For demonstration purposes, you might want to select an invoice, but feel free to choose any transaction type that you need to make recurring, such as deposits or expenses. After selecting the transaction type, you'll be prompted to fill in the necessary details. This is your opportunity to input specific information relevant to the transaction, such as dates, amounts, and customer or vendor information. Take your time to ensure everything is correct. Once you've completed this setup, look towards the bottom of the interface. You'll notice a very handy button labeled Make Recurring. Click on this button, and it will lead you to a new section where you can begin crafting your recurring transaction template. This template is crucial, as it will dictate how often and under what conditions the transaction will recur. Within the recurring transaction template, you'll want to pay special attention to the interval section. This is where you define the frequency of the transaction. You can choose from a variety of intervals, daily, weekly, monthly, or even annually, depending on the needs of your business. Make sure you adjust the interval to fit the schedule you desire. Other important details to fill in at this stage include the start date for the recurring transaction and, if applicable, an end date or a number of occurrences. Once you're satisfied with the template and you've double-checked all the details, the final step is to save this setup. Simply locate and click the Save Template button, and just like that, you've successfully scheduled a recurring transaction in QuickBooks Online. This transaction will now automatically generate according to the interval you've established, helping you maintain a smooth and organized workflow. And there you have it. Scheduling recurring transactions is a smart way to keep your finances in order without having to manually input the same transactions repeatedly. By following these steps, you can ensure that your financial records remain accurate and up to date with minimal effort on your part. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful. Keep coming back for more insightful tips on managing your financial tasks with ease.